Foreword by Guy Kirkwood, UiPath's Chief Evangelist. As Tony says, getting started with introducing new technology like RPA means winning the hearts and minds of key stakeholders and their teams. The most exciting moment in any RPA project is when you see the wide-eyed shock on a team member's face when they realize that they will never have to do that boring, mundane and repetitive task that has been part of their job for the past X years. Tony's book is a bit like that. Easily read, articulate and compelling. The AEIOU approach is nicely laid out and follows a logical sequence. Plus, the interviews with leaders in the market add insights normally missing from this type of publication. I've been saying for years that RPA is not rocket science. Well, we actually work for NASA, so that bit is. What execs, team leaders and team members get from this book is clear instructions set on where to start, the right questions to ask, the community of the willing you need to build to capitalize on this amazing technology. Business is going to change more in the next 5 years than it has in the last 20. An adaptation of the first line of Bill Gates' book Business at the Speed of Thought. Tony Walker. Is this book for you? Have you just started using robotic process automation? Are you looking to start up an automation center of excellence team in your company to leverage RPA and start building automation solutions? Or perhaps you want your new center of excellence to mature and grow. This book is for head of automation or digital transformation, RPA managers and change management who have or are soon to bring automation into their organization and are looking to set up a center of excellence. Whether your current automation team is 2 or 20, understand the roles and responsibilities and setup of a good team. Identify which roles you may be missing and what scalable framework your team can work to in order to build an automation factory you can be proud of, which churns out solutions on demand. Also, understand the behind-the-scenes roles and considerations when it comes to maintaining your bots, things not mentioned as much in the media. Use this book as a guide to ensure that you're using the AEIOU method. This book is for RPA project managers and business analysts who work in a center of excellence or operational excellence team and are responsible for delivering automation but are new to RPA. Are your automation projects stalling or losing traction? Or do you want to generate more opportunities and fill your pipeline? Whether you've only just heard of robotic process automation yesterday, been doing it for a few months or a couple of years, it's very valuable to understand the entire life cycle from identifying the problem to designing, building and testing the solution and supporting the new capability. With this knowledge, you will be able to design and build much more robust robots and intelligent automation solutions, and be able to boast much higher ROIs on your business cases. You'll be responsible for delivering much more benefits to your organizations or clients. Furthermore, you'll see how you can apply these same techniques and steps to implement advanced technologies like artificial intelligence. Use this book to check off each of the 36 steps of the AEIOU method. This book is also for COOs and operations directors and RPA sponsors who want a comprehensive view of how RPA automation is implemented. Read industry best practices and insights to get high-level steps on how to best implement intelligent automation. This will improve your awareness on what's been happening in the industry and what may be to come in the near future. This will help you understand the do's, don'ts, myths, challenges and benefits of automating your business processes and give you a picture of what your team is doing, or should be doing. So, you can pass this book to them to ensure they're adopting the AEIOU method. This book takes you through Lean IA's methodology, which is a blend of best practices in RPA, change management and lean thinking. Image 1. To view this image, visit leania.co/book-images. The 36-step AEIOU method was created by Tony Walker to guide automation teams around the world through the life cycle of implementing new process automation technologies in the new fast-paced world of digital transformation in a way that scales. Together, we will walk along the digital transformation journey of implementing new automation technology by going through the entire RPA lifecycle from idea to implementation to scalable intelligent automation, while we collect the insights and experiences of industry experts along the way. As we go further along this road, we gradually get deeper into the RPA world. You will notice that the AEIOU method used to bring RPA into your company can also be used for introducing any new technology. So we explore at the end how you can repeat these steps to bring artificial intelligence into the fabric of your organization's business processes and teams. The underlying approach of AEIOU is to ensure you're applying intelligent automation to lean, also known as streamlined and optimized business processes. Using lean thinking, you can achieve a much higher ROI from your new technology than if you were to have just automated bad processes. Remember the old adage, GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Though we will cover technical features and capabilities, this is a non-technical, business-focused view of RPA and intelligent automation, looking at how your business can achieve things which have never before been possible with such ease, and how you can explore avenues which previously would have been perceived as out of reach or unviable. Intelligent automation can enable a small company to make big moves like a large corporation, as they can service much higher numbers of customers at greater speed through various avenues in a much more affordable way, and without a drop in quality or customer experience. Intelligent automation allows large corporations to become more agile, like a startup, as they will have a more flexible workforce which can be scaled up or down in minutes to meet demands. Their company will not feel as large, as they will have insights and actionable information at their fingertips on what's happening throughout your entire organization, without a slowdown from over-cumbersome bureaucracy, and have a much more interconnected workforce, removing many silos that often stifle innovation and agility. In this book, you will learn the biggest mistakes and challenges most companies make, and how to avoid them. What's happening in the automation industry from the perspectives of various industry business leaders, and a look at where it's heading. How best to manage change through getting buy-in from the top down, staying visible and keeping up momentum. How companies late to the automation party or those struggling with scaling can accelerate their digital transformation past their competition. A framework with tools, techniques and templates to build your RPA factory. How to get the most out of intelligent automation solutions, and how to repeat the 36 steps in the AEIOU method to discover and apply new intelligent technologies like AI. At the end of the book is a glossary of TLAs and other industry acronyms and terms. In each chapter, we go step by step through AEIOU to ensure that you, 1. Get the most out of this new and fast-evolving technology, which will make your teams and your business more efficient, allow you to move with agility like a startup, and make big moves like a global corporation. 2. I invite friends and industry experts to share their experiences and insights, and share my own experiences. 3. At the end of each chapter, there are questions to ask yourself if you and your team have achieved each stage.